Hello, crocheters and crafty creators. Welcome back to Bliss Degree. If you're new here, I'm Kathy, and today I've got something amazing for you. 110 free No-Sew Amigurumi Crochet Patterns that are perfect for beginners. Yes, you heard that right, no sewing involved. Whether you're brand new to crocheting or you're a seasoned pro looking for a stress-free project, these patterns are simple, fun, and oh so cute. And the best part? There's absolutely no sewing required. That means no needles, no pinning, just straight up crocheting, and a lot less hassle. These little guys make the perfect gifts, home decor, or even just a little something to keep you company while you crochet away. So grab your yarn, hook, and let's dive into these super adorable projects. All of these patterns are available for free, and I've linked them in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing crochet content. Wow, that's a wrap on our 110 free No-Sew Amigurumi Crochet Patterns beginner-friendly, cute plushies. To get started, simply head to the description box below and click on the Google Doc link and get access to all the patterns. You'll find patterns for every style and skill level, and remember, no sewing required, just pure crochet fun. If you're enjoying these no-sew crochet patterns, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And let me know in the comments which one of these cute plushies you're going to make first. I can't wait to hear what you create. Alright, that's it for today's crochet adventure. Thank you for watching. I hope these patterns inspire you to get crocheting and make something cute and cuddly. Don't forget to share your creations with me over on Instagram and TikTok, and happy crocheting everyone!